Greetings, everybody. This is Patrick from Artwork and Oddities, coming to you from the floor of my living room in Phoenix, Arizona. Alright, today I have another unboxing. This strange black box of, it says nothing, it says XL right here, and that's about it. So it also has, priority and mailing addresses and things. But that is it. That is all that's on there, besides some tape. This is the BlackCraft Cult clearance mystery box. They said for like $45, you're going to get $120 worth of items in here, which is pretty cool. I have a couple of their clothing things. I got their Halloween mystery box in October. That's when Halloween is. I think it was actually before October. But had some really cool pieces in it. So hopefully that I don't get any duplicates of items I already have. Another thing I like about the BlackCraft Cult is they do the Black Mass, which is the clothing line by Tommy End, also known as WWE's Aleister Black, which awesome wrestler if you're into that. But let us see what is in this mystery black box. It has some weight to it. It has some heft. I'm kind of hoping for a hat, because you can never do with too many hats when you're bald and living in Arizona. 1, 2. The seal has been broken. Let's see what's in here. No! Wow. Okay. Shipping stuff. Mystery white box in here. And a bunch of clothing. This one, I think this is a hoodie. It is a hoodie. Okay, so I believe this one was from one of their other mystery boxes. They had a alien one, so yes, so that's a hoodie with some sort of devil alien on it. It says Roswell, daily record, RAAF, captures flying on ranch in Roswell. So that's pretty nice. Nice hood. Inside feels good. And then it has the little hoodie pocket there, so that's cool. That'll be a nice thing to wear. And then the other thing, I believe, is a... Ooh, more than one. Okay. Couple shirts here. We got the very classic from BlackCraft, Lucifer. It's the kitty. No, yeah, shoot your kitty. They do this in a lot of different colors and things. But yeah, I had not gotten the Lucifer yet, so that's adorable. And then the last one, let's see, what do we got? Okay. Nice. Okay. So, this is actually perfect for Valentine's Day. Bloodlust. And down here it says, one thing I couldn't stomach. All the damned vampires. We got Romero. We got Jones. A BlackCraft Cult production. So this is a pseudo movie shirt. And then the mystery white box. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. I dig it. It is the BlackCraft Cult black on black, like a travel mug. Nice. So it has their little logo there that you cannot see. There, kind of. It says, "Believe in yourself, BlackCraft Cult." Nice. All right, so that was their mystery box. Didn't get a hat. Oh well. But I got a hoodie for, you know, probably next year. It's a little too warm to wear that now. Got the classic Lucifer shirt and this fun vampire one. I dig it. Yeah, I dig that. So yeah, of course it's all black everything, which is kind of a pain in Arizona, but you know what? You gotta go through it. It's what you gotta do. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. BlackCraft Cult, create your own future. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, I don't care, whatever, it's cool. But thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, I will see you on the other side.